Hi guys, what's up? Today we're going to be making guacamole, and the ingredients you'll need are onions. I really like onions. I'm a spicy eater. Don't blame me. So I put a lot of onions. I chopped a lot of onions. And the next ingredient is chopped grape tomatoes. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, so I didn't put as much as I should have to make the guacamole more balanced, but that's your choice. You can lessen the amount of veggies or make it higher. I don't care. Anyway, so next thing we need is garlic. And to make it fancy, we put in green onions. Now, I've already chopped this avocado in half, because if you don't have avocados, then stop watching this video and get them, because avocados are like the main thing in guacamole. So you need avocados. Anyway, I've chopped this one and removed the seed. The seed is really big. It's funny that almonds don't have seeds, because avocados, this here, it's technically a nut, so that's odd. Anyway, so we're going to chop open this other avocado. And boom, we've got the avocado open. Let's take the seed out. This is a big seed. Look at this. Look at the size comparison. Anyway, so it's kind of black up here. I'm just gonna chop that little bit off. And you can throw it in the trash, or some people think it's not that bad and they eat it, but I prefer putting them in the trash. So I'm gonna just set them aside for the time being. Anyway, second thing you gotta do is take a spoon and carefully scoop out the entire avocado from the shell. It's actually quite easy. First time I tried it, I got it. And you're gonna put that in your bowl. See? It's literally empty. And just scrape a little bit out. And boom. Now you gotta repeat this with your other 4 or 5 or 6 slices. And now you've got basic guacamole, very basic, like caveman guacamole. So you're gonna need to add some more vegetables to make it more worthy of eating in like this age in 2020. So I'm gonna dump my tomatoes in, take my fork and start pushing down on the chunks of avocado, because then they'll like squish into guacamole or into paste through the edges of your fork, like so. I think I'm about done mashing my avocados. It's okay if it's a little chunky, it doesn't matter. So next I'm going to plop in my onions. And we're gonna take our spoon and stir those into the mixture. This is like 2010 guacamole, so it's pretty good. You can eat it this way, or you can add garlic and green onions as I'm gonna do. So, garlic. Garlic sticks for me, so make sure there's none still left in your bowl or whatever you're putting it in from. So we're going to stir in that garlic. And look at this, our guacamole is actually looking pretty good. Okay, so now we gotta season it. So I've got a lemon here, which I am going to cut in half. For me, lemons are very crisp, so they're kind of easy to chop once you get your knife into it. So this is basically the easiest part of the whole recipe for me. All right. Looks like the lime's having a bad day. Wants to squirt out its anger. Anyway, I like mine lemony, and you can put as much or as little lemon as you want, but I put it a lot. And then you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on that. And finally, you're gonna sprinkle your green onions onto your guac. And that, my friends, is how to make guacamole. So here's our final result. It's looking pretty good, I must say. For someone of my skill, I'm a beginner chef. So, that's how to make guacamole. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, pretty please. Anyway, goodbye.